Welcome back to Xunjie channel. Today, we are going to explore the amazing applications of 3D printing technology in the automotive industry. Buckle up and let's get started. Although 3D printing is currently limited in directly manufacturing critical components due to material safety and mechanical properties, it still plays a huge role in the automotive manufacturing process. Many leading car manufacturers are already using 3D printing to create tooling fixtures and production tools on the assembly line. These 3D printed tools are cost-effective, easy to customize, and can improve production efficiency. In addition, 3D printing can be used to directly print non-critical parts, such as front and rear bumper fenders and bumpers. These parts not only meet the design requirements, but also offer more flexibility in terms of design and production. There you have it, the remarkable applications of 3D printing technology in the automotive industry. If you have any questions or want to know more about our 3D printing services, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.